subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Moto G Power 2023 edition back in April this year, the company is reported to launch the successor of it as Moto G Power 2024, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hemmerstoffer, in partner with MySmartPrice. According to leak renders, the Moto G Power 2024 will feature a flat 6.7-inch display, with a hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a dual camera set up in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers along with the fingerprint sensor equipped under the power button is located on the right edge, while on the bottom we see a speaker grille, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. Additionally, the phone is said to measure at 167.3 by 76.4 by 8.5mm. Apart from this, there is no other details of Moto G Power 2024 5G smartphone has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G Power 2024 5G smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.